This video is to demonstrate when there is gapping or cracking along your tile and counters. This is very common. You may see it up within 2 weeks of moving in, 2 or 3 months moving in. This is caused by seasonal change in weather because grout caulk will contract and expand. To fix it, you just get some grout caulk from Home Depot or Lowe's. Your color will be indicated on your selection sheet. If it's not on your selection sheet or you can't find it, just find a color that matches. And as you can see here, all you do is then take the grout caulk along the line of where the grout caulk has cracked or separated, wet your finger, and then just take it along the grout caulk line until you get the excess off. If you have a little damp rag, that's also a good tool to use. And just get it to where it's nice and smooth and cleaned up. And then you just let that dry. And that's how you fix any grout caulk along countertops and tile, which is very common. How to fix gapping or separation along caulk on your base or crown, and sometimes your door casings. This is very common as the house settles, as well as you go through seasons and the house contracts and expands during winter and summer. You get some white caulk, you apply it along the area that needs to be filled in. You then take your finger, a damp finger, and run it across the caulk line you just applied until it's nice and covered and covers the hole. And take a damp rag if you have that with you to wipe down as well. When you see grout separation or cracking along a tub or shower, this is very common. This is due to the house settling as well as temperature change as we go through seasons and the house contracts and expands during winter and summer. To correct the problem, you get at your local hardware store grout caulk and the color which is on your selection sheet, and apply that along the area. If you don't have your selection sheet, you can just look at the color of your grout and try to match. You just apply the grout caulk along the gap or separated area. And then after you apply it, take your damp finger and run it along the grout line. And after you do that, taking a damp rag and lightly running that across will get any excess off of your tile and or your tub.